Troubadour. We're trying to read that. We don't know what that says.
In medieval times, there were these poets and musicians called troubadours. And they would go out into like the public square and they would perform their poetry and their music. Oh yeah, here come the marksmen. This brings me back to New Orleans. Usually it had to do something with the subject of love. Just think of like the Renaissance, right? But I am the typewriter troubadour.
Like the troubadour of the Middle Ages,
Writing custom poems. Would you like me to write you one?
Jeremy M. Brownlow
You look like you might be interested.
plies his poetry.
Would you like me to write you a poem today? If you give me a word or a subject, I'll write a poem on the spot, and then you may keep it for a donation of your choice.
A performer,
I'm supposed to pick a topic.
How about just the word love?
a composer of
All right,
words.
so
His instrument, a Smith Corona Galaxy typewriter.
I've typed probably close to 2,000 poems in the past year and a half. Your word was love, and I wrote this. Love, the tidal wave that carries us away into oblivion.
Well done, well done,
His
yay!
muse,
Beautiful.
curious passersby.
So you folks get to be the muse. You get to inspire the nature of the poem.
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
Birthday vacation.
Cats. Let's say
About independence.
Sure. Okay.
This modern day troubadour's town square, the streets of Portland.
I have no idea.
Like everyone has a story to tell, and I'm merely like the translator of their feelings and their moments onto paper.
It's really cool.
Like a musician, the troubadour plays the typewriter keys with precision.
All right.
I can't believe you wrote it that fast. That's really neat.
It is a very like tactile instrument of communicating and expressing yourself.
With a percussion beat, the words flow.
Okay, so may I read it to you then? Birthday vacation. It's your birthday and you can do whatever you want. Treat yourself, do something out of the ordinary, because on your birthday you should do something as special as you are.
It's awesome.
It makes me want to like frame it.
I'm excited.
Letters on paper, like notes in a song.
My heart is so big, I want to give it
A
to
lyrical
everyone,
message.
and welcoming my dreams and desires to flourish in the garden of my care.
Typewriter troubadours personalized
Cool. Yeah,
the melody of words from one heart
that's that.
to another.
I love that. I love that so much. Thank you.
Awesome. Custom poems, any subject, any price.
He has no degree,
Did y'all like a poem today?
never studied poetry,
Hey folks.
just loves to write.
There's a way of like really diving deep into my imagination.
From a paved island
Yeah.
across from Powell's bookstore,
Yeah. Y'all need a poem written today?
to the last Thursday street fair on Alberta.
Life after college.
The troubadour
I'm writing impromptu poetry.
and his typewriter hold court.
Very high aspirations.
His audience
Life after college.
eager to supply their word and thoughts.
I have studied hard, writing my hand down to the bone.
That's amazing.
I think my favorite poems that I've written are
I need a frame. I need to go buy a
ones
frame.
that are circumstantial, where I'm like transcribing someone's story.
So are you an English major?
Like this mom visiting from Hong Kong.
So I want to get him something from Poland.
This poem is about her son's iPad addiction.
Yay!
How ironic, we seem to be more connected than ever with a single click, yet further away from the people who are literally within our reach.
I love it!
Yay!
Thank you so much.
For $5 to $20 a poem, he can write about anything,
So there's that for you.
even
I have a magnifying eye.
when the tables are turned on the troubadour.
I want you to write about you.
Now I kind of know how awkward and brave someone has to be to do that. And so I hit the streets to meet people who live on the outside, intrigued by their feelings and stories.
I recently moved across country. Coming to Portland?
While centuries have passed since the first troubadours spun their tales of courtly love,
She is proud like a peacock, vibrant in her nature.
Thank you so much.
the Typewriter Troubadour taps into the timeless connection
Alrighty, guys.
between words and the human heart.
Thank you for being my muse, you guys.